Hey y'all, it's your girl, Love and Leah, and I am back with a June Goals video. So, with that being said, I'm not going to chit chat with y'all. I'm not going to hold y'all too long. I'm just going to go ahead and tell y'all what my June goals are and how I break down things. So, I have yearly, monthly, I have yearly, quarterly, monthly, and weekly goals. In June, I'm going to add daily goals because I feel like I haven't been hitting my goals like how I've been wanting to hit them. So, I'm going ahead and add daily goals. So I'll be like going over them. Like every week, I'll just go ahead and write out daily goals that I need to accomplish to go ahead and get like my goals reached. Period. So for my June goals, I want to weigh 240 pounds, especially after having my wisdom teeth pulled out. I felt like I gained like a lot of weight after that. I gained 5 to 10 pounds after that, only because I was eating ice cream a lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. So I do want to start working. Like y'all know, I quit my job. But I am pretty bored and I want income. Like I didn't do anything. I just really took a break. I didn't do anything to create like income or have like revenue or anything. I just really took a break. So I do want to start working. I do want to stay on a budget. I want to get on a routine and stay on a routine, and I want daily me time. So with all that being said, like how I break down my monthly goals into weekly goals is with like the first one with weighing 240 pounds. Like I'm weigh like 250 right now. So I will go to the gym like 3 times a week. And then so that will break down from like that weekly to that daily would be like on Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursday. Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. One of my daily goals would be to go to the gym. Also, I want to make sure that I'm eating my meal prep, and that I am meal prepping, and then also to drink more water. I feel like I don't drink enough. It's not even I don't drink enough water. Like sometimes, like that's all I really drink is water. But some days I won't drink, or like I will have just 1 cup of water, and that's it. Like that'll be all the liquids that I take in for that day. So I do want to make sure that I am hydrating myself. With having like getting a job, having income, like that's self-explanatory. Like I'm just gonna go and get any job. Like I like to work, so why am I not working? So yeah, I can kind of basically I do a lot of stuff. I can do a lot of stuff. I want to do something new, so who knows what I'm gonna actually like get into. 3, I want to stay on a budget. My boyfriend and I have talked about it, and we spend a lot of money, like a lot of money. Like we used to go out and go drinking, and it'll be like $300-400 in one night that we are drinking. So with that, I want to go on like an extreme budget for the month of June to see if we could really do it. So I like looked up some like free and cheap things for us to do, and it's just we have a list of stuff that we want to do. So I just kind of picked like the free and cheap things for June for us to do. So that's gonna be like one good thing that we can do. And it's basically like our eating out budget, our grocery budget, and our entertainment budget that we splurge the most on, especially eating out. Like, bruh, y'all already know $200 on a dining ticket is like nothing like these days. So I do want to get that, and then it'll actually help with me losing weight as well. 4, I want to stay on a routine that I do have. Like I kind of like my routine, and granted, like getting a job, it'll change some, but not everything gonna change. Like I like what days I have doing what and stuff like that, and I do have a lot of free time right now because I don't have a job, but at the same time, like it'll be okay. Like I can stay on this routine. I think it's like how I kind of like time batch things is better. And 5th thing that I want to do is the daily me time. And with that being said, like it won't always be like me time, how people think. Like, I love to paint my nails. So like one day of the week, like I need to paint my nails every week. So one day my like daily me time would be painting my nails, or like washing my hair and actually deep conditioning it, and like greasing my scalp. Like I never grease my scalp, so that would be like something me time that I desperately need. That would just work. Also, like, I don't know, I play video games, so like I can sit and like play the game, and that'll be counting as like me time. Meditation, reading, coloring. Like I do so many things, so my me time won't always look the same. It'll just always be more focused towards me. Sometimes I just go sit outside. And when I say just go sit outside, I mean I just go sit outside. Don't have nothing to do outside. Just go sit outside. Or I'll do my work outside. So, I don't know. Like my schoolwork and stuff, like I'll do it outside. So, yeah, that is basically it. I'm not going to hold y'all. This is a short video. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, dislike. Let me know what y'all want. Like, grow with me. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.